Hi, this is my wheel horse, model 854. I've had it for a while. I just haven't really done anything to it since I got it. This is the condition it was in when I bought it from a friend of mine. So it did run. We did drive it onto the trailer. This is what made it kind of unique, and what it made it kind of attractive to me was the little Snoopy drawing. Someone painted this, and we don't really know much about the history, but it's Snoopy, 1776. There's an initial down here that says MD. Not really sure what the story is. The artist also painted the wheels black, and the gas tank cover is also painted. I'm not sure. I feel like the paint on the tractor itself might be original. Now on the hood, I don't know. It does look more red, as do these parts, and the back of it kind of looks almost orange red. So I decided to bring this home, and I do not have a shop like some people do. I'm always envious of people who do have shops. So my shop is right here in the back of my truck. I do have a few basic tools. I have some SOS pads and some Dawn. That's what I'm using to clean, and some shop towels. I just go through those a lot for my hands and anything else that I get grease on. Here's another view of the tractor. It does have some dealership on both sides. I don't even know if that's a dealership. It just says Summit Industrial Motors. So there's the decal. Here's the serial number, 46428. It has the cool old style dash. I just think it looks kind of retro. It has an AM meter. I don't know if that's original or not. The steering wheel it's usable, but it's taped up, so it's been used pretty good. It's got the little steering cap. It has a Kohler K181S, which I think those were pretty popular for that time. So if I have to do anything, I should be able to easily get some parts for that. Tires are in good shape. I haven't done my research yet on this, but I will. I'm going to take the mower deck off, and I'll clean that and put that in storage. Here's the shifter boot. The old one was just kind of melted and just disintegrated pretty much on here. I found another one that it just seems kind of small. It doesn't seem like it fits properly over that. So if there's any advice anybody can give me on that, I'd appreciate it. Been using some SOS pads to kind of get the grease off. This area was really, really bad, and that's common in this area to have a lot of grease and grass, and it was pretty gunky, so I used some SOS pads. I also used a wire brush, and I hate using those kind of things because it does tend to dull the paint. But I'm not really sure if I'm going to go with boiled linseed oil on this. I would kind of like to, but I'm not sure how boiled linseed oil is how will it react to the paint on here. I don't want to hurt the Snoopy image. I want to keep that. I think it just kind of gives the tractor some character and has a backstory. It does have the unidrive transmission. It has the hitch. So it's really a tough little tractor. I honestly don't know what's missing. I don't know what I'm going to need. I just want to get it complete. I do not want to paint it. I want to leave it as is. I love how it looks. I've seen some of the wheel horse tractors that Eston has done, and I just love the originality, how he just brings the patina out. That's kind of my inspiration for doing this one. I also follow Garden Tractor Boy on YouTube, and he's doing a restoration, and honestly, it's kind of helped me figure out how to get some parts off and things to look for while I'm tearing down. So even though it's a different model than what I'm doing, I feel like it's still, basic things can apply to all different models and vintages of Wheel Horse tractors. So, and Wheel Horse has always been special to me just because they're made in Indiana, and I am an Indiana girl. I grew up here, and I did meet Cecil Pond, which was, you know, pretty thrilling. He was a very smart man and an entrepreneur, did a lot of great things. So I will keep you updated as I go along. Today is July the 4th, very hot here, so I'm trying to work in the shade and take some breaks. Hope you all have a good day.